So from the house of Geomag, we have the product Kor. Kor is based on the same DNA as Geomag in that we have a metal sphere. The difference is that this is a hollow sphere, so it's not so heavy, it's very light sphere. Then we have the component which is the magnetic component, and this then clicks onto here. We then start our first part of the construction.
You get 3 hours. It's normally alright for shows. You normally do 3 hours. Shift the car.
Down is easier.
Do like that.
Flip it over and then continue the same. So we have the triangular component as well. Fits in there. Now what I have here is basically a sphere. Okay, it's a ball. Having all the magnetic components onto the hollow sphere, I have the ability to create movement. No matter how I change it though, it's always going to be a sphere. So we have added to that covers. With the covers, they just kick in. We have 4 types of covers. That's this. 1, 2, triangular, 3, and square. If I follow the sequence of the cover, I create myself a rugby ball, egg. Okay. Having this system, we still now, with the movement, which is what we call the twist and shape movement, which is 2 movements, I've already created life to the construction. Whichever way I move it is going to give me something different, and here it lies in the child's imagination of what they see. You see an owl, you see a bird, you see a strange fish. It's up to the child's imagination. To that, we add accessories. The accessories then start to divide the families that we have created. The Tazoo family and the Protean family. The Tazoo family is more the fantasy, idyllic mind of a child, and the Protean family are more the aggressive fighters that we have. If I was to simply put in these 2 pieces, which already gives it more life, and if you can imagine that using that particular eye from this particular set, it really gives you more life to the character. The idea on the accessories that we have is that this could be, as I done now, an eye. It could be an ear, anything that the child is imagining it to be. And that is the same for all the other accessories that we have in the different sets. This could be an arm, this could be a leg, it could be a horn, anything that the child is imagining it to be. Putting together all the accessories, we start creating out of the creatures that you see here. Okay? If we look at the crossing of the accessories, here I'm using it as spikes. Okay? Here in this, we are using it as a fin of the ear. And then in the Protean family, what we have are the masks. The masks differentiate them from each other. So we go from Aki, Tarex, and the 3 big Protean guys who are Blatta, Swamp, and Volcrum. The story behind Kor is that the Kors came out from outer space, crash landed onto the Earth, and took on the form of where they actually landed. So Beto landed in the ocean, Paco landed in the rainforest, Volcrum landed on the volcano area, Swamp, who is down here, his packaging is down here at the bottom, he landed in the swamp, and Blatta on a rocky area. So that's a story behind that one could tell with the characters that you actually make with it. Even though I have the accessories on it, we still have the exact same function of the twist and shape movement. So we can continue. Every movement I make makes it something different. And that is called Geomag.
Well done. Well done. Super. Thank you very much.